Touche.
It's called a free pedicure, man. You drag it along, and it's clean.
Hey everyone, it's another day. I'm your host, Progressively Less Forrest Whitaker, and I'm here with Braedon.
100% not Forrest Whitaker.
There you go. We're back on the Pathfinder today. We got the heads on, but we haven't torqued the head studs yet. And then it's reassembly. We've got the timing chain covers on the table behind us. We gotta get those clean. Yeah, today's just mostly gonna be a time lapse, I think.
And hopefully it doesn't explode.
Well, hopefully. We'll see. We've already narrowly dodged having to make it all, so we're doing great.
No.
Here's a picture of exhaust valve out of cylinder 5. Cylinders 3 and 6 had the same thing going on. They're cracked. They have been for a while. So we put in new valves, lapped them, put in the springs and retainers, set the retainers, and put it back together. Yeah, they were a little bit crunchy. For whatever reason, the head studs that we got, some of them were bent. Which, yeah, really super impressed with that. They were what, engine tech? Which is, I thought they were reputable, but yeah, it's time for the front cover to go back on. My Forrest Whitaker eye has gone down substantially, so that's all good. And yeah, blow this out with an air compressor and maybe take off the loose pieces of RTV.
So you just slap the cover back on, see what happens.
Alright guys, we've hit the time to learn if we totally messed up or not. We're gonna bar this thing over and see what happens.
Well, we're back. Another day. Another Nissan. Dad's gone, so it's just me today. So far we got most of this back together. We have the intake left. Some bad words. More bad words. The third bad word. And see what else happens. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Only one way to find out. For anybody who has ever had to work on these engines, from the bottom of my heart, I'm sorry. This sucks. I don't know how smooth of a brain you have to own to design one of these. It's gotta be like bowling ball smooth. Straight up not even having a good time right now. But we're almost done. I have an exhaust on. I will have another an exhaust on soon. And a whirlwind maker. Whirlwind collector. More beer. A couple more bad words. Finally making headway on this stupid thing. We have the exhaust on. We have an exhaust on. We have a cover on. We have almost an intake on. These are here for show. They're not important at all. Slowly coming, but that's all we're doing today. We'll be back in the morning.
We're back again for the, I don't know how many time. So many times. Engine's starting to look like an engine though. My back is all sorts of messed up. So tonight's gonna be mostly on braedon.
Isn't every night mostly on braedon?
Yeah, we're just on to reassembly now. So I'm gonna go do a time lapse and just get this done. Alright guys, I think we're ready to test fire this thing. We've got a jerry rigged to the point where it should run. We've pulled the fuel pump fuse though for now, just so we can circulate it some. That didn't spark. Why didn't that spark?
That's a good thing. The important thing is there's no fires.
Yeah.
Something has to be plugged in.
Yeah, we've got ports blocked off with tubes. We've got fuel tank
gas
vent.
Yuck.
Anyways, we're gonna crank for a bit here, make sure there's no startling noises, and then hopefully run it. It's not done yet. It's got no cooling. It doesn't even have a cooling system. But we want to run it for at least, what, 30 seconds or something? And
10, 15, if that, tops.
yeah.
I'm scared.
Just long enough that we know the valves aren't going to drop out of the heads.
Yeah, we're going to find out real soon.
Apparently, well, no, I won't throw you into a bus like that.
You shit yourself.
Anyways, we're going to go do this, and I guess you get to watch. Commence the shit show.
Here, hold this. It's gonna fall out.
Whoopah. I'd say bless you, but nobody wants that.
That sounds like fuel pump to me.
That's ABS module.
That sounds like it's coming from the back too. Let's fucking.
Your battery sucks. Needs more power.
A few minutes later.
What?
It's a big old ground we didn't hook up.
A few moments later.
I'm going to stand over here. That way, if it goes cuts off into low Earth orbit, nothing dies.
Yeah, you ready?
Before the batteries drained.
I'm just waiting for the oil light to go out.
Oh.
But it didn't, so.
Charge pad.
Yeah, it's on the passenger seat. Let's hook up some fuel. You ready?
In double neutral.
Yeah, it's got the clutch started anyways.
Oh.
Okay, check the leaks. See any fuel leaks?
No.
Okay, you ready to try and start it?
Let's do it.
Power steering doesn't work!
Battery won't charge like a piece of shit.
The alternator's not charging!
Oh yeah. You gotta get that gas powered vape going. Well, that wasn't catastrophic.